Hello friends, welcome back to my new channel. So today we are studying on chapter 4th of 6th subject geography. The lesson name is maps. First of all, you not subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you click the bell icon, you get all the notifications. So we can start. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What are the three components of a map? Answer is the three components of maps are title, distance, direction, and the symbols. B. What are the four cardinal directions? Answer is the four cardinal directions are north, south, west, and east. C number. What do you mean by the term the scale of the map? Answer. The scale of map is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. D. How are the maps more helpful than a globe? Answer is a globe is useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study only a part of the earth, it is a little help for this purpose. We use maps. A map can represent the entire earth's surface or a part of it. Maps can be used to show the physical features of the earth, mountains, plains, oceans, rivers, etc. The political divisions of the earth, countries, states, cities, villages, etc. and the certain specific information, roads, rainfalls, forests, industries, etc. E. Which map? Sorry. E. Distinguish between a map and a plan. Answer is here are given a table of that question and it's a answer of that question given in the table. In map column there is given a map is the representation or the drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Second number is it can be used for representing large areas like continents or countries, large scale maps, and also for representing a small area like a village or a town, small scale maps. In plan, first column is a plan is drawing of the small area on a large scale. It is used for representing those things that cannot be represented in maps. For example, the length and the breadth of the room cannot be shown in the map. For this purpose, a plan is used. F. Which map provides detailed information? Answer is a large scale map provides detailed information. G is how do symbols helps in reading maps? Answer is as it is not possible to draw on the map the actual shape and size of different features, example buildings, road, bridge, they are shown by using certain standard letters, shades, colors, picture and lines. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. Using these symbols, maps can be drawn easily. The use of a symbol makes maps simple to read. Question number 2. Tick the correct answers. A. Map showing distribution of forests are options are given physical maps, thematic maps and political maps. Its answer is thematic maps. Second number is the blue color is used for showing. Answer is water bodies. C number. A compass is used. Answer is to find the main directions. D number. A scale is necessary. Answer is for a map. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like to this channel. Thank you.